Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, November 3rd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to take a couple minutes while I'm at the soap shop here and talk to you about our global business opportunity with GotBackup. Okay, now I've been online making money for the last 16 years. I grew up surrounded by the network marketing industry. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, when I was a young child, probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 years old, I remember going to my great Aunt Evelyn's house, and she had a Tupperware party. All right, now this is going way back into the early 80s. And I grew up going to these Tupperware parties with my parents. My mom would go off with the ladies into the kitchen, dining room area, and they would do their Tupperware party. And then my father and all the guys that were there would go outside and play horseshoes or, just converse and talk guy stuff. And I remember that. And so I was thinking about that, and I've always been around this type of network marketing. When I got older, my father was an NSA water filter distributor. Him and the principal of our elementary school worked together. They were a team, and they sold water filters with NSA. And I believe that company is still in business. I think it's a different name now, but they're still in business. And then I remember my father doing Don LaPree stuff, place the tiny classified ads in newspapers. So I've always been intrigued with the network marketing industry. I've always been surrounded by it. And I am telling you today, folks, that GotBackup is the number one best work from home business opportunity I've ever seen in all of my years doing this, okay? And I'm going to tell you why I believe that. First of all, the owner is completely 100% transparent, okay? When he says that he's going to implement something into the system or, upgrade this to help benefit us, he does it right away. There's no waiting around for weeks or months. So I love that aspect of it. I also love the fact that he's earned over $300 million online in the last 25 years, which is incredible, okay? The parent company has been in business for those 25 years. So this isn't just some fly-by-night outfit that's going to, do a rug pull in a couple months. This company is not going anywhere, folks. It's a debt-free company. They have a 10,000 square foot data center in Schertz, Texas. And, everything about it is just near perfect in my opinion, okay? The customer support is top-notch. You don't have to wait weeks or months to get a response. You get a response usually really, really quick, usually within 24 hours, but it's, 95%, it's much sooner than that. And the opportunity itself, the data software, okay, it is the same type of data security that Amazon uses, Walmart uses, Dropbox uses. It's 256 military-grade encryption. And we're not better than, iCloud or Dropbox or Google Drive or any of those places, but we do offer way more value, okay? So you can start a global business for $9.97 a month, okay? And I was just reading some franchise stuff, and just with McDonald's, for an example, you need $500,000 in liquid capital before they will even consider looking at your application. Okay, so if you don't have $500 in liquid capital, that means $500,000 that you can get your hands on, not written down on paper in the bank. Actual physical $500,000 in cash. They're not even going to look at your they're not even going to look at your application. That doesn't include the franchise fee, the real estate, all the equipment, all the insurances, all the employees. I mean, it's a headache when you start looking into the cost for some of these franchises. And then the average McDonald's owner only brings in $150,000 a year. Now, I say only, I know that's a lot of money to a lot of people. That's a lot of money to me, but for all that headache and all that stuff you have to worry about, 150 grand's not worth that to me, right? But you can start GotBackup for $9.97 a month. You can pay for the entire year for $99.97 a month, and get 2 months for free, and you have yourself a global business. Now, there is a one-time reseller fee that varies from $20 to $40 depending on different specials that we have that, you know, Joel, the owner, sets up and runs for us. But if you click the link down below, it'll take you over to our tour page. And then if there's a special going on, then, you know, you might see that. But the most you're going to pay is a one-time $40 reseller fee. That gives you access to your own back office, a lead capture system, all the marketing materials you need, websites, ad copy, banners. We have trainings all the time. And, you know, the value that we have here at GotBackup is just truly incredible. So on top of the 6 terabytes of data storage you're getting, you can share that with up to 5 other people, use it on an unlimited amount of devices, all for $9.97 a month. Okay? And there's a complete collaboration tool in the back where you can take your files, photos, videos, and share those with other people. They don't have to be a part of GotBackup. There's a business suite inside where you can create Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheets. There's a whiteboard presentation there where you can create whiteboard presentations. And it's just absolute. Oh, there's an image editor so you can edit images. I mean, the value here, folks, is absolutely incredible. Okay? So if you're looking to supplement your income or replace your income, you need to check out GotBackup, because right now there's over 11 billion devices in use at any given time on the planet. And people need to back up everything on their cell phones, their desktops, their laptops, their tablets. This is the new oil, folks. Digital data is the new oil, okay? When you look at Dropbox, there's no compensation plan. They have over 700 million users. Google Drive has over 1 billion users, all right? And they're not paying anybody to refer others to the program. So we're just getting started. We launched back in April. We're in 120 countries already. We have over close to 30,000 members who have joined, and it just continues to grow and grow. I think we're close to 200 people who have joined our team, my personal team, our personal team. When I say our, I'm talking about my wife and I. We work together in this, okay? But our team, Team Black Diamond, we have almost 200 people who have joined us in since October 26th, okay? So it's just absolutely incredible. If you've never done any network marketing before, you don't need to worry. I tell people that if you can copy and paste and can do a Facebook post, you can make this work 100%, okay? So the compensation plan, really quickly, is all your direct referrals, you're going to receive a 200% commission your first month, followed by a 25% commission each month that they stay an active member. You're also going to earn a 25% check match on all your direct referrals. So for an example, if you signed up under me, the first month I'm going to get a 200% commission. Next month I'm going to get a 25% commission. And then if you go out there and share this with other people, and say, for example, you make $1,000 next month, I'm going to get a $250 check for that, a 25% check match, okay? So, and then on top of that, at the end of each month, the company takes their net profit and they distribute that evenly throughout our binary, okay? So the income potential here is virtually unlimited. It's totally dependent on your efforts. But, you know, we're going to have people who make millions of dollars with this company. I'm going to be one of those people. And the company is going to be $1 billion company in the next few years. Excuse me. So if you're on the fence about this, if you're looking for a way out of the rat race, hit that link down below. Watch the 6-minute video. It goes into more detail about this business opportunity. And then all you have to do is simply enter your name and email and click the button. You'll be taken into a temporary back office where you can learn more about our company. You can get a tour of our office and facility. And if it's something that resonates with you, then by all means, you can join and sign up there and become part of our team. Once I see that you've joined our team, I'm going to reach out to you personally. You're going to get all my contact information. I'm going to invite you to our private Facebook group. and then we're just going to go from there, and I'm going to help you build your business. Okay, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate you just in general. I appreciate everybody. Okay, so I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.